How to create a typewriter effect in Premiere Pro. Let's get into it. Start off by creating the text that you want to add the typewriter effect to, then come up to Effects and search for Crop. Drag the crop effect onto your text, and then head up to Effect Controls. Click onto the crop effect, and then we want to go over to the crop box and move it until we can't see the text anymore, just about. We then want to come back to crop and add a keyframe on the right parameter. Then we need to move forward one frame, click into crop again, and then drag the crop box across so that it reveals the first letter. Move forward one frame and then move the crop box again to reveal the second letter, and then move forward one frame again and move the crop box again to reveal the third letter. Continue doing this until you have your entire word revealed. When we play this back, it's going to play back very quickly. To fix this, all we need to do is right click our text layer clip and then come down to Nest, name it whatever you want to, and then if we come over to the right stretch tool in the toolbar or press R on your keyboard and then simply drag the nest across until you're happy with the speed of the typewriter effect. And that's all there is to it.